Inflation is expected to come in at around 5%, which would be lower than the June figure of 5.4%, and this will still be within the Reserve Bank's inflation target band of 3 to 6%. Inflation is expected to slow further in the coming months and average 4.9% next year. Food inflation has remained one of the drivers of the inflation rate at above 10%, but this trend is expected to slow down.
The consensus I've seen around the CPI figure is around 5%, which is also what we are looking at. But I think it will be between 5.4 to 5, between 5.4 and 5% range. In terms of the drivers with regard to inflation, obviously it has been food. If you look at the numbers, for instance, in the previous data, you will see that food inflation remains still elevated, above 10%, even though it has been easing from the higher levels, which it was in the previous months. For instance, food inflation was actually close to almost 15%. So it's now coming down to almost close to 11%.
A Reuters poll predicts that the Reserve Bank is likely to keep interest rates unchanged at its next MPC meeting due to, among others, a slowing inflation rate. But the bank is expected to hike rates by 25 basis points from early next year. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.